This has looked like a beautiful house with an amazing view. How long you been here?
We've been in this building for about 4 years on the 6th floor. And the people that own the top floor end unit decided to sell. And we had to buy it because of the view. It has ocean views out of every window. And we just couldn't not have it. They had lived here for some 40 years, or owned it anyway, and they'd never really had anything done to it. It was in very good condition, but it had not been updated at all. And that's one of the things that we have done over the course of the last 40 years or so. We have renovated rental properties and flipped homes. So we knew it was something in our wheelhouse that we thought we could take on. So that's all we knew about it.
How long did it take you to complete the renovation?
I think they could have done it in 4 months. It took 6, but there were good reasons why it didn't go as smoothly as what we had hoped.
Tell us more about your experience with the selection of stone and what made you choose this quartzite.
What is this called?
Blue Explosion.
Blue Explosion. We think the ocean's right out that window, and when the storms come in, we think it should be called Ocean Storm because of the way that
There's the sunset, and there's the different colors of the ocean as a storm is starting to brew or clear up or something, and
it just the countertop has moods.
Movement is great.
It has moods depending on the amount of light coming into the room. It's spectacular now. In the evening, it's even more beautiful.
What was the turnaround time from the template to installation of the countertops?
That was what was incredible. We were in a rush at that point to get through, and they set a young man out here with a transit and a laser. I'd never seen that done before, and he had this measured onto his iPad to exact what it's going to be, and he was very thoughtful.
With the curves and the...
They did this within a week. I mean, it was very quick, and the incredible part of it to me was halfway through that week, we called them up and said, would you mind? We think we're ready for the bathroom countertops. It's a different material, but do you think there's a chance that you could have those done? And they did. That call was made on a Tuesday, and they had it out here on a Friday, and got them installed.
Tell us more about your experience.
In addition to that, after we put them in, there was 1.5 inches behind our stove along the wall. I asked him, the stove stuck out a little further than we wanted it to be. I asked if there's anything they could do. They sent a man out with a 1-inch piece of stone and replaced it, and now it's perfect. So couldn't be happier with the service.
The follow-up, the service, you call them, they call back, and just we told
everybody
that says, oh, I'm going to do something, you say, oh, you should go to KB.
Yeah, I wouldn't do this again without their help.
What was the reaction of your friends and family after they look at your kitchen now?
They touch it. Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Everybody touches it.
They as we call the bold choice. Maybe they're being kind, but everybody's loved.
How was your experience with the team of installers?
We were very happy with that. Good job.
Yes.
Would you like to add anything to your experience?
So yeah, well, we give them a 5-star recommendation. We truly do.